Hi everyone, welcome to the first episode of our LeetCode series where we are solving coding problems step by step. Today we're tackling LeetCode problem number 1, which is called toSum. The problem statement is the following. Given an array of integers, nums, and an integer, target, return the indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. Each input has exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. For example, if we have an array of nums that contains 2, 7, 11, and 15, and the target is 9, we want to output the indices 0 and 1, because in these indices we can find the numbers 2 and 7, which add up to 9. Let's break this down. The goal is to find two numbers in the array that add up to the target and return their indices. To do this efficiently, we will use a hash map. This will allow us to look up previously seen numbers in constant time. Here is the plan. 1. Iterate through the array while keeping track of the numbers we've seen so far. 2. For each number, calculate its complement. The complement is the number that, when added to the current number, equals the target. 3. Check if the complement exists in our hash map. If it does, return the indices. 4. Otherwise, add the current number to the hash map. Amazing, let's start coding. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to define our dictionary scene. We're going to use it to keep track of the items and the indexes that are inside the array of nums. After this, we're going to iterate through the indexes and also the items inside nums. For this, we're going to use Python's enumerate function. Now let's calculate the complement. For that, let's go to subtract the number to the target. And if we find the complement inside our dictionary, we're going to return the index of the number and also the index of the complement. Else, we're going to add our number and also its index to the dictionary. Amazing, let's run the code. And we can see that the solution got accepted, so let's submit the answer. And we can see that our runtime is amazing. This is because we looped through the array just once, therefore our time complexity is O of n. And same for the space complexity is O of n, as the hash map stores at most n elements. And that's it, we have solved LeetCode problem number 1. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future problems, drop them in the comments below. And thank you for watching, I'll see you in the next one.